Are you someone looking for a modern feel terrace? Then this may be just for you. This 2-bed mid-terrace is in Port Street, which is in the regeneration area of Middleport. The property is spread over 3 floors with a single bedroom and a double bedroom. I like this property. As I've said, it is in the regeneration area, so to the outside it has the period potteries, but to the inside there's a real modern feel to it. To the rear of the property there's a really good sized low maintenance garden and off-road parking, so gives you time to enjoy the fun in the sun and also to securely park. If you would like to come and have a look at this property, then please call us at Belvoir on 01782 478 444.